Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the limits feature on Instagram to limit unwanted comments and messages from users. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, if you feel like you're being harassed on Instagram, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. So let me show you how to enable this feature. Before we open up Instagram, go to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, once it has been updated, open the app. Then tap on the Profile tab at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings. Then Privacy. Then within this list, find Limits and tap on it. By default, this is switched off. This feature will limit unwanted interactions in two ways. The first is where Instagram will recommend groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from. Second is where Instagram will hide those limited comments and messages unless you approve them. Just a note, once this feature is enabled, this won't affect your reach in the feed and the Explorer page. If this is your first time you're configuring this setting, you'll see a continue at the bottom, so go ahead and press continue to configure this feature. So the first option is to configure is if you want to limit accounts that are not following you. The second option is to limit interactions with recent followers. And the last option is how long you want this limit feature to be enabled for. You can choose days or weeks. The maximum is 4 weeks and the minimum is 1 day. Once you're ready, tap on Turn On to enable the Limits feature. You'll get a message at the bottom of the screen saying this feature has been enabled. Once you go back, you'll have the option enabled on your settings list. And there you go, that is how to use the new Limits feature on your Instagram app. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.